What's up, gang? I'm back again with another video. This time I'm just doing a review. As you can see, I have my makeup on already, so all I'm doing is putting on lashes today. And guess who the review is about? BLINKZ by Smooch. So today I'm doing 4 different styles. Okay, so the Rep Your City collection. So I have here Chi-Town. Cute. I also have Miami. Everybody loves one of Miami. Cute. I don't know if you guys can see. And it comes in a cute little case too. Also have ATL. So they all are dramatic and cute. Look at that flare. And then I saved the best for last. Detroit. Gotta rep your city, that's where I'm from. 313. She has the adhesive pens. So they come in a box. And it says BLINKZ by Smooch. I believe I have the clear and the black. Yep, this is the clear one. It goes on clear. And she said you gotta wait till it dry and then put it on. And this is the black one. They're super cute. The black one. So I'm gonna use the black one because it looks like I could play it off less iron. The city I'm gonna do is Miami. Again, I'll show you again. Boop, boop. I am starting real close to the lash line. I don't know if you guys can see. So you see, you want to be ghetto and use my phone. Don't judge me, judge your mama. And voila, it's on there. Wow. The best part of the pen is that you can take these lashes right off. Okay, again, y'all, I'm putting it like real close to my lash line. And it goes on smooth. You just have to have a steady hand. It's not messy. It doesn't have a smell to it. Well, it kind of do. But it's not like, ooh, this thing, you know. And the pens were like $8.99. Oh, and this video is not sponsored. I had to pay for everything. I had to pay for my lashes. I had to pay for the pens. Only thing I have to pay for is my makeup. Cause why? I do it. So y'all see how quick that was? This is easy. And this will be best for people who don't know how to put on lashes. This is a good invention. Like investment, all that. Miami. Ooh, welcome to Miami. This is cute. Alright, y'all. Time to do the other one. So, like I said, it's easy to come off. No glue. I still have the liner on. Chi-Town is much easier. I can tell the difference. So where the corner piece is for that. Yo, I don't need to reapply. Cool. Oh yeah, this is super sweet, y'all. I will be using it. Chi-Town was cute. And what's crazy, I don't have to reapply the glue. Shoot, you know how many times I gotta reapply glue? Too many. And it's on there like easy peasy. Easy peasy, y'all. So I recommend this for people who don't know how to put on lashes. This is super easy, as you can see. All I'm doing is taking them off and putting them right back on. And this is Chi-Town for you. So I'm not really dramatic, but these are cute. And I will be wearing these. I will. Hold on, y'all. You know, gotta get a selfie. Alright. Alright, let's do the next step. Easy peasy, no mess. So I'm doing Atlanta. Come on, ATL, what you got for me? Alright, again, I'm using my phone just so I can see. I'm sorry, y'all. Don't judge me, judging mama. Ooh. I don't need to reapply. That's the best part. So if I mess up and put on some lashes I don't want to wear, I definitely can just take them right off. Make me want to go out with my man. Get cute. Look at that. Oh my god, I'm sorry y'all, cause this is like so bomb. They should have had this back when I started out doing makeup. Okay. I recommend this to everyone. Even people who do know how to put on lashes. I recommend this to you because it's great. No, but it's cute, y'all. These lashes are bomb. Now, I will say this little corner piece is gonna kill me. So I'm gonna reapply just a little bit. Only because this corner piece is like sticking up too high. And it's not where it needs to be. Okay, there we go. See? That, you see how quick that was? Alright, I saved the best for last because I'm from I'm from the 3 months like this. Hot mama. I'm gonna be a hot mama today. Alright, y'all. Once again. No way. Look how full this lash is. Y'all, these are full. This is a lot of lash for me. Yep, this is a lot. Okay, sorry I'm having a little trouble because I can't really see on this phone and I'm trying to put it on my lash line. And I got it. Ooh, these are super dramatic. These are super dramatic. So ladies, if you love dramatic lashes, BLINKZ Smooch got some. They got them, baby. And they're so full, and I think I got them on wrong. Y'all think I got them on wrong? I might. Think I got them on wrong. Nope, I had them on right. So now I gotta reapply it. So I will say, this is my 4th time putting on lashes. I will say you may have to reapply the glue just a little bit, not a lot. Only because it's not really sticky like it was in the beginning. But y'all seen what I did. I applied 4 whole sets of lashes on there. And now I'm doing it with a no lash applicator. Doing it with my fingers. Alright, this is Detroit. Detroit is dramatic. We do shit big. And this is to symbolize Detroit. For sure, for sure. That concludes this video. Thank you so much for watching.